How to get the love of your life. You can choose between learning the lesson the hard way or reading this and getting the man you deserve. We'll tell you how to achieve it. The first thing you should be clear about is that the man who deserves you will let you know without you having to stress about whether it will work or not. There is no reason why you should put 70% in him the rest of the effort. Making yourself value is what will make you find the right one. 1. Never underestimate the importance of being interesting. Men want something interesting, they really want it. The most important person in your life must be yourself. It is vital that you get interested in yourself, in acquiring knowledge, in seeing yourself radiant. Very soon you will begin to remember how good it feels. You will be impressed by how much you attract when you feel good about yourself and reflect it to the world. 2. There is a fine line between making jokes to a man and annoying him. This habit is not funny, at least for them, unless when you do not know limits and end up offending him with your innocent joke. There is something that, in case you did not know it, annoys men a lot, and is when you try to mock him by being funny. If you consider this a strategy to conquer him, forget the idea. The only thing you will achieve is to push him away. 3. Your needs are as important as his. Playing the role of the diva or the plebeian is a mistake in both cases. You shouldn't pretend that because you are a woman everything should focus on yourself and your needs. Taking into account what he thinks and his feelings will give you extra points. What we do not want is that you go to the extreme of becoming almost the complement of his desires and whims, and every time he raises his hand you run to take care of him. You have to maintain a balance and prioritize the needs of both. 4. Knowing how to cook is an extra point. And is that the old saying of the grandmother that men are conquered by the belly? There must be something certain about it. Men love you to cook for them, to take care of them. If you know how to cook, do not hesitate to invite your date to a culinary night. Surprising him with a delicious dish will leave him with a happy belly and he will be drooling for you. 5. Men are flirtatious by nature. Just like women, men love to feel they can conquer the cutest woman in the place. Do not be deluded and do not confuse when a man is flirting just for doing good to his ego. You may end up with a broken heart because after he asked for your number, spider webs wrapped the phone waiting to be called. 6. Things change once you get naked. The worst mistake of all is to believe that sleeping with him will give you power. Do not go to bed the first time. Having the power to decide when and how will make him desperately want you. If you want to command something, do it on your pants and decide correctly when to drop them. Also, having control will make you feel sexier. 7. We see what we want and ignore the rest. When we say the rest we refer to bad things. When he eats his nails, when he is bad-mannered, that he is not cordial and with a few drinks he goes overboard with his friends, these are things that you should not ignore. As much as a boy appeals to you, you have to keep the perspective. Do not disguise Prince Charming Toad just because you're afraid to remain single. Be honest and learn to choose your partner. Because you may regret it. Finally, something that you should not forget, you will probably never understand men, so surrendering to this great challenge is certainly a waste of time. So concentrate on understanding yourself and getting to know yourself better every day. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.